So we're at the Let Freedom Ring rally, August 2021.
Get out his son.
And we have Chris Bish, who's going to be running for Congress.
Hello, I'm already running for Congress, thank you. In California's 6th Congressional District, right here in Sacramento.
And, tell me about what's happening today and what you're trying to accomplish.
Okay, so I was out at the rally at Kaiser about a week ago for the nurses that were protesting the mandatory vaccines. So I put this rally together and invited nurses from different hospitals, because out there I was out at Kaiser, but we know Mercy and Sutter nurses, they're all facing the same thing. It also turns out that healthcare workers at all of the hospitals, I've had people from TSA and state workers, all of these people are being mandated for these vaccines. If you want to take the vaccine, take the vaccine. It's experimental, it's your body, it's your choice. But mandating that these people take it, it's crazy, and I believe it's illegal. The truth is, every one of these healthcare workers for the last year and a half, everyone has deemed them heroes. They went to work every day. A lot of them stayed away from their families because they didn't know, everything about this virus and the propaganda that was coming out. And everyone deemed these healthcare workers heroes. Now that we know a lot more about this virus. We know that the masks don't work, and this experimental vaccine, the injuries that's happening, not to everyone, but to a lot of people. And now all of a sudden they're being vilified. How quickly these politicians turned on them based on what was good for them.
Cool.
So I'm out here supporting anyone who wants choice. Now they want to do choice in abortion, well, guess what? We should have choice in the vaccine.
Perfect. And thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So, the whole vaccine thing, like I said, your body, your choice. If you don't want to take it, you don't have to. If you want to take it, that's fine. But you look at how they're mandating everything. Okay, I look at law enforcement. I look at mandate. I'm like, okay, that's not even a law. That's nothing but you saying that I have to do something. And even if it was a law, it would be unconstitutional.
Here.
Hi, my name is Jason Paulette. I'm running for Congress for District 3.
And against?
Garamendi.
Garamendi. And I heard you have a little background.
So my background is I got 23 years law enforcement, military veteran before that. I think it's a good crowd. There's a good message out here. You know what? It's all about the vaccine. It's your body, your choice. You know what? If you want to get the vaccine, then get it. If you don't get it. But it goes above and beyond of when we have people trying to mandate us to get something that we don't want to put in our bodies. They've already crossed that line. If you look at a mandate just says something where, okay, well, we want you to do something. And then you look at a law, and the law says you shall do something. It's a mandate, okay? You're not breaking the law. You're not doing anything. It's your body, your choice.
Great. Well, thank you and good luck.
I appreciate it.
All right, well, next time you're there, you got it. Okay, keep up the good work. Okay, bye-bye, over here.
So I didn't recognise that structure. But Mother was in a black jersey, white apron, hair permed, as if she'd just come from the beach. But what told me something about her you didn't know. So I didn't recognise that structure. But Mother was in a black jersey, white apron, hair permed, as if she'd just come from the beach. But what told me something about her right from the start I arrived, and that was evident from the 1946. Rules for Ravelli operator